In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HubSpot custom properties. Custom properties are powerful tools that allow you to create tailored fields in your HubSpot account, helping you capture the specific data you need about your contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. Customizing these properties to your needs is crucial for effective data management and reporting within HubSpot. First, let's get started by navigating to the HubSpot platform. You want to start by accessing the trial guide. This is your go-to place for everything you'll need to explore within HubSpot as you proceed through your trial period. Think of this as your gateway into deeper functionality within your HubSpot environment. Once you're in the beta trial guide, look for the settings icon. If you're familiar with navigating software settings, this should be pretty straightforward. Simply click on the settings icon, which will typically be represented by a gear symbol. The settings area is like the backbone of your HubSpot account, where you have control over the configurations and customizations that are vital for adjusting the platform to fit your specific business needs. Now that you're in the settings, direct your attention to the Properties section. Properties are essentially fields within HubSpot, capturing every type of information you might want to store about your contacts or other records. Tapping into this section allows us to begin customizing these fields, so go ahead and click on Properties. If you're not seeing it immediately, remember that it's generally nested under Data Management because it's all about managing the data you have on your customers, leads, or whatever you track in HubSpot. Next, you're ready to create a new property, which is where the customization truly begins. You'll see an option to create a property. When you create a new property, you're essentially crafting a new data field that will capture the specific type of information you want to track. This could range from product preferences and lead scores to anything else uniquely relevant to your business. Click on Create Property, and you've now opened the door to countless possibilities for detailed, customized data management. As you proceed, keep in mind that being specific with the names you choose for these properties can make a huge difference later, especially when it comes to data sorting, filtering, and reporting. Make sure your custom property names are intuitive and descriptive, minimizing confusion as you or your team access and use this data down the line. By following these steps, you're on your way to making the most of what HubSpot's custom properties have to offer. Enjoy the enhanced control and insight these custom fields provide, and use them to empower your business decisions and strategies. Thanks for tuning in, and happy HubSpotting!